Hey everyone, today I have a new slime kit to show you guys. This one is called the DinoSime DIY kit, and it comes with a bunch of really cool stuff inside. It has a lot of dinosaurs, it has a bunch of slimes like inside of the eggs, and also it has like just a lot of things for you to do. You can even make your own slime from scratch. They do give you the materials for it. So let's go ahead and look at what's inside. As you can see, there's a bunch of stuff in this box. It's actually a pretty big box, and this is the first time that I've seen like so many toys inside of a slime box. So I thought that was pretty cool because other than playing with slime, you could also play with these really cool dinosaur toys, and I'm going to show you guys one by one what they look like and everything that's included inside the kit as well. I also have a list that tells me what's inside of the box. So you have 12 realistic dinosaurs, 1 Jurassic Valley map, 4 Goopy Dino eggs with hatchlings, 1 DIY slime kit, 2 palm trees, 1 erupting volcano, 1 mega cracked dino egg, and 1 oozing green slime. So there's a lot of stuff that's inside of this box that you can use, play with, and also just keep for collection purposes. So let me just show you like all these dinosaurs because I thought they were like really cool, and I have a whole bunch of them, so I'm just gonna give you guys like a close-up of what they look like. Remember earlier I said that you can make your own slime? They do give you the materials for you to make it from scratch, so I will show you guys how to do that towards the end of this video. For right now, I want to show you what's inside of the slime that they already give to you. So you have an option of make your own slime or just play with the slime that's already made. So this one is a hatchling. It comes with like a little dinosaur toy inside, which is pretty cute because like I think of dinosaur, I think of like eggs and like, you know, dinosaur inside of an egg. And I actually like this shell because it has like kind of like this really cool iridescent color inside. So I thought that was pretty cool, and when you're done with your slime, you can always use it for like other things like storing your slime that you didn't play with or just like different other things. So here is the actual slime and what it looks like. As you can see, it has a small cute little dinosaur inside, which is much smaller than the other dinosaurs toys that I showed you guys, but I kind of feel like it works because you don't want to like put like a huge dinosaur inside of the egg. So I thought that was really cool, and if you want, you have the option of taking the dinosaur out of the slime and then just keep it as a collectible. So you could play with the slime on its own, or you could play it with the toy inside. I just prefer to take the toy out. And I have a bunch of other little eggs that I want to open for you guys as well. They come in different colors and they all have a different toy inside. So you could have more dinosaur collections with the dinosaurs you already have, or you could just keep them in your slime and play for the next time. And they look really cool. I like the slime texture. It is the slime texture that I prefer. I just like the really jelly and non-sticky ones instead of like fluffy slime or something like that, because I feel like when you put toys inside a slime, this type of slime works best, and it is my favorite type. for the last portion of this video, I want to show you how to make DIY slime with the stuff they give you in this kit. So you have a slime activator, a glue, and also this dye that you can use, and they also give you a cup and stirring utensils. So it's pretty simple. You know, you guys know how to make slime 1,000 times already, so there's really no need for explanation, but they do have an instruction. You mix 1 spoonful of the slime activator into a cup of water, and then you just pour it in your slime. Although I do feel like that you don't need the whole entire cup for the small amount of glue, you could probably do it without like pouring the whole cup in, because sometimes it can get a little bit over activated. So for today, my slime, they also told you to add the color after you have mixed it. Personally, I feel like it might be better if you put the color in before you put in the activator. That way there's not so much dye kind of just sitting around. But you can do it in the steps that they give you, because they do have instructions, or you could do it the way you like it. And this is what I came out with. So it looks really cool. I do like the color. I believe I over activated just a little bit. If it was like a little less borax and a little less activator, I think it would come out even more perfect. But so far, at least you get a DIY slime kit that you can actually do some real DIY with, and then the rest of the stuff you could just use as collectibles. So overall, I feel like this is a pretty good slime kit for the amount of money that you spend, and you get all of these toys. And also, like, it's sold on Amazon. They do have a website that they sell all different types of kits that you can basically play with. I'm gonna go ahead and link everything down below, and where you can get this slime kit, as far as like any coupons or 10% off. I will also leave it down below so that you guys could check it out and see if this is something that you want to get for yourself. It does come with a lot of cool stuff. I have pretty much nothing negative to say. I had a pretty fun time, like, you know, testing this kit and also playing with everything. As you can see, it looks pretty awesome. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video.